Hello. For those of you that don't know me, my name is David Pardis, and I'm a tax partner that leads PwC's Wine Industry Services practice, and I am also a CalCPA member. I am currently an active member of the Wine Industry Conference Planning Committee, which consists of a group of dedicated finance and accounting professionals that all spend a large majority of their time working in and providing advice to companies throughout the wine industry. Together, I believe we have put together an agenda that will keep you engaged throughout the entire conference. This year's CalCPA Education Foundation Wine Industry Conference will take place on December 3rd, 2018 at the Napa Valley Marriott or online via webcast. You definitely won't want to miss it. The timing of this year's conference could not be more perfect, as we expect a number of the Tax Cut and Job Act regulations to be issued in advance of December. There will be so much to discuss. And in case you were wondering, I will be speaking at this year's conference. I plan to address topics that will include bonus depreciation, 163J, 199 Cap A, 263 Cap A simplification for wineries, and everyone's favorite topic, entity selection. It's been 8 months since the release of the new tax laws, and this question has not gotten any easier. In addition to tax, the committee has invested time to bring you topics that we believe will bring you a value-add perspective in a variety of topics that impact the wine industry. We will bring you an economic outlook, a gap update, cash flow and debt analysis discussions, data analytics, and in addition to a variety of other topics, we plan to spend time discussing how to build a company strategic plan. On top of all these interesting topics, you will have the opportunity to network with all of your wine industry colleagues. So please join us for the CalCPA Education Foundation Wine Industry Conference on December 3rd. I hope to see you there.